Okay, so the given is the part is at P and the coordinates we have negative 1, 2, while the playground is at Q and the coordinate we have 4, negative 2. So the question is, what is the distance between the park and the ground? Step 1, let us analyze if we can apply the vertical distance and the horizontal distance. So we can apply the vertical distance if the x coordinates are the same. They are the same? No. So therefore, we cannot apply the vertical distance. So now proceed tayo kay horizontal by getting the y coordinates. They are equal po ba? Okay, if no, so hindi natin ma-apply yung dalawang formula. So what we're going to do is we need to use the distance formula. And distance formula is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Then after that, so let us write first the given ordered pair. So we have negative 1, 2, and the second point we have 4, negative 2. So what we're going to do, we need to put a label. Okay, when we say ordered pair, it is composed of x and y. And this is also x and y. Then after that, put 1 here because this is the first point. And then 2, this is the second point. So we can read this as x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So the next step, let us substitute na the value. Okay, the first is we have x sub 2. What is the value of x sub 2? 4. Minus x sub 1. Okay, so we need to put another parenthesis. Okay, plus, okay, what is y sub 2? Negative 2. Minus y sub 1. Okay, 2. Then after that, simplify. So to simplify, anak, we need to apply PEMDAS. So P stands for parenthesis. So start tayo dito sa loob ng parenthesis. Okay, so what we're going to do? We need to subtract 4 by negative 1. So since 1 is negative and the operation is subtraction, we need to apply cha-cha. So we need to change the operation to addition and change the sign of the subtrahend. What will be the sign of 1 na? Positive. And 4 is also positive. So add 4 plus 1, 5. Then after that, simplify this one again. So negative 2 minus 2. So since 2 is negative and then the operation is subtraction, use cha-cha again. So first, change the operation to addition and change the sign of the subtrahend. Now what will be the sign of 2 na dito? Negative. And this is also negative. What we're going to do? Okay, add 2 plus 2, 4. Then what is the sign of 4? Negative. Copy the sign of the two numbers. Then after that, anong next natin sa P? Letter E. What is letter E? Exponent. So simplify na natin to. Multiply 5 twice. Saan po? Sa sarili. 5 times 5. 25. Plus, multiply negative 4 twice. It's din po. Negative times negative. Positive 4 times 4. 16. Then the last step is get the sum. Okay, 25 plus 16. 41. Now, do you think 41 is a perfect square? Okay, if no, therefore, ito na po ang distance natin. The distance between the given points, we have the square root of 41. So, number 5, the given is a house located at point C, 1, 1, and the store is at point D, 4, 5. So, how far apart are they? So, first, we need to check if we can apply the vertical and the horizontal. So, for vertical distance, equal po ba yung coordinates? Hindi. How about for horizontal distance? Equal po ba yung y coordinates? Okay, if no, we can apply the two formula. So, proceed tayo sa distance formula. Okay, first, I will write the given ordered pairs. We have 1, 1, and we have also 4, 5. Then after that, I'll write the formula. Okay, distance is equal to the square root of, so everyone kindly take the formula. X sub 2 minus x sub 1. Then squared plus okay, then second step is we need to put a label here. So since this is an ordered pair, so it is composed of x and y. This is also x and y. First point, so we have x sub 1, y sub 1. This is the second point, we have x sub 2 and y sub 2. The next steps, okay, substitute na natin yung mga value. Okay, so what is the value of x sub 2 here? 4. Minus, what is x sub 1? Okay, very good, 1. Squared, plus, what is y sub 2? 5. Minus, y sub 1? 1. Then after that, simplify. Or do you think, anak, we can apply cha-cha pa? No na, kasi we can already subtract na. So, since pares silang positive at subtraction na may operation, at mas mataas ang minuend kesa sa subtrahend. So, direct na agad tayo. So, 4 minus 1, 3. Squared. Plus, 5 minus 1, 4. Squared. Then after that, simplify, exponent na po tayo. Multiply 3, how many times? Multiply 3, how many times? 2. Kanino? Sa sarili. So, 3 times 3. 9. Plus, multiply 4 twice itself. 4 times 4, 16. Then after that, get the sum. Okay, so 9 plus 16. Okay, do you think 25 is a perfect square? Or what is the square root of 25? Okay, so therefore, the answer is 5 units.